Good morning everyone. I hope that you are safe and healthy and would have completed the work which I have given you in the last video. Today we are going to start with our new chapter, that is triangle and its properties. In this chapter we are going to study about the triangles and the various properties of it. So first of all we should know what is a triangle. A triangle is your polygon consists of three sides. Triangle एक ऐसा polygon है. What is a polygon? In your previous classes you have studied about the polygon. Polygon is the closed figure. Polygon क्या होता है? एक closed figure होता है which consists of more than what? Three side. Sorry, more than two sides. Two sides से मिलकर बना होता है. That is, it contains three sides, 4, 5, 6 and infinite number of sides. So polygon is a closed figure which is consist of more than two sides. दो से ज़्यादा side से मिलकर बना हुआ जो क्लोज फिगर होता है उसको हम पॉलीगन बोलते हैं. और जो फर्स्ट पॉलीगन होता है दैट इज योर ट्राइंगल ओनली. एंड व्हाट इज अ ट्राइंगल? ट्राइंगल इज अ पॉलीगन कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ व्हाट? थ्री साइड्स. जो किससे बना होता है? थ्री साइड से मिलकर बना होता है. सो द ट्राइंगल जो है इट हैज अ थ्री वर्टिसेस, थ्री साइड्स एंड थ्री एंगल्स. सो दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल. ये क्या है? ट्राइंगल का एग्जांपल है. दिस इज अ क्लोज्ड फिगर विच इज अ पॉलीगन हैविंग अ थ्री साइड्स 1, 2, 3. So this is a triangle ABC. This triangle ABC has what? It has three vertex. We call it vertices also because vertex is for single, and when we have a more than one, we call it what? Vertices. So this triangle has three vertices, three sides, and three angles. So what all these are, we will study. So the sides, the three sides of this triangle is your AB, then your BC, then your CA. The three angles which are there in this triangle is your BAC. This is angle BAC. This is your angle BAC, which we also call angle A. And next one is angle ABC. Angle ABC. So this is your angle ABC, which is also known as what? Angle B. And the next is your the third one, that is angle BCA. BCA. This is your angle BCA, and we call it as also as angle C. These are the three angles which are there in this triangle. Now, the vertices, which is also known as vertex. Vertex is for single and vertices for more than one. So the vertices, that is the corners, we call it also what? Corners. So there are three corners in this triangle ABC. So which is corner 1, which is also known as vertex A. Then this is vertex B, and this is vertex C. So this is all about a triangle. A triangle is a polygon which is consist of what? Three sides. It has three vertices, three sides and three angles. Now I have attached one video with this video class, that is of class 6. In your class 6 you have studied about the classification of triangle on the basis of angle and on the basis of side. So I request you to go through that video and write down all the notes that are there in that video, that is classification. You have to go through that video also. In that videos it contains what? Various types of triangles on the basis of sides and on the basis of angles. So after seeing that video, then restart this video class and move to the next property, that is the median and the altitude of a triangle. हम median और altitude को पढ़ेंगे किसके? Triangle को. You should know what is a triangle, then what are the types of triangle on the basis of sides and on the basis of angles. Then only come to this video for the next properties of triangle, that is median and altitude. Now I hope that you have gone through the video of classification of triangles. Now we will move to the next, that is the properties of triangle. And in that property, the first thing we are going to study is your median. जो triangle का median होता है, what is that? So median of a triangle is basically a line segment that connects a vertex of a triangle to the midpoints of the opposite sides. पहले तो हम पढ़ते हैं what is the midpoint. Midpoint क्या होता है? अगर कोई line है, consider this as a line AB. So there is a point C. एक C एक ऐसा point है जो इस line AB को दो equal parts में divide करता है. This means that this AC is equals to what? This CB. So we call this C as a midpoint. ठीक है? So what is the midpoint? Midpoint is a point in a line segment which divides the line segment to two equal parts. तो इस line segment AB को दो equal part में divide करिए, that is AC and CB. And here AC is equals to what? That CB, or we can say also BC. So इन दिस मीडियन इज बेसिकली क्या है, मीडियन एक लाइन सेगमेंट है जो एक वर्टेक्स से शुरू होती है और कहाँ तक जाती है बेटा, जो उस वर्टेक्स के अपोजिट जो क्या है साइड है, जैसे दिस इज अ वर्टेक्स ए, ये क्या है वर्टेक्स ए इस ट्राइंगल एबीसी का। सो इस वर्टेक्स ए से एक लाइन पास होते हुए जाएगी किधर की ओर, जो इस वर्टेक्स ए के अपोजिट जो साइड है दैट इज बीसी साइड, उसके मिड पॉइंट तक। सो मैंने जो डॉट डॉट करके जो लाइन ड्रॉ कर रखी है दिस इज योर व्हाट मीडियन, ये डॉट डॉट वाली जो लाइन है दिस इज अ मीडियन। ठीक है, लाइन सेगमेंट क्या है, मीडियन है, बिकॉज इट इज पासिंग थ्रू द, इट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द वर्टेक्स ए एंड मूविंग टू द, इट इज कनेक्टिंग टू द पॉइंट डी विच इज द मीडियन, विच इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ दिस बीसी, जो बीसी साइड है उसका क्या है मिड पॉइंट है। सो लाइन दैट कनेक्ट्स वर्टेक्स टू द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ द अपोजिट साइड, ठीक है, दैट लाइन सेगमेंट इज नोन एज व्हाट योर मीडियन, इस लाइन सेगमेंट क्या बोलते हैं, मीडियन बोलते हैं। ठीक है, सो हेयर दिस एडी इज द लाइन सेगमेंट विच इज ज्वाइनिंग the midpoint of D and it is starting from the vertex A and this D is the midpoint of what, BC, side BC का क्या है midpoint है। So this AD is your median, ये AD क्या है, median है। Since every triangle has what, 3 vertex, so from that 3 vertex there will be a line segment that is connecting to the midpoint of the opposite side. So from this B also there will be a median and from C also there will be a median. So there are 3 medians in the triangle. Now I have drawn one more triangle that is PQR. In this PQR there is 3 medians. First is your PS which is connecting the midpoint of QR. QR के midpoint को क्या कर रही है, connect कर रही है, PS starting from P and joining to the S which is the midpoint of this QR. Same way there is another median that is QT which is joining the midpoint of PR which is your T क्या है, मिड पॉइंट है किसका, PR का। ठीक है, एंड इट इज कनेक्टिंग Q टू T वेयर Q इज द वर्टेक्स एंड T इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ व्हाट, साइड अपोजिट टू इट दैट इज PR. सेम वे अनदर मीडियन दैट इज द थर्ड मीडियन ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल PQR इज RQ which is connecting the midpoint of lines side PQ to the vertex R. So this PU and QU they will be equal, ठीक है, because this U is the midpoint of this PQ and this RU is the median. Why it is median? Because it is a line segment that is starting from vertex and ending to the midpoint of what, opposite side. जो R के opposite sides क्या है, जो midpoint है, opposite side का जो midpoint है that is U, उसको क्या कर रही है, connect कर रही है line segment. That line segment is your what, median. So every triangle has a 3 median, ठीक है, और I have drawn the 3 medians of this triangle PQR which is PS, QT and RQ. If you see at this point, ये कैसा point है जहाँ पे all 3 medians are intersecting, जहाँ पे क्या कर रही है, 3 medians क्या कर रही है, meet कर रही है। This point is known as what, centroid, जहाँ पे मिलते हैं उस point को हम क्या बोलते हैं, centroid. It is denoted by G also, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, G से denote करते हैं और ये क्या कहलाता है आपका centroid. So the meeting point of 3 medians is called at what, centroid of a triangle. तो centroid क्या होता है, it is a point where the 3 medians of the triangle meet or we can say intersect. This point is known as what, median of a centroid of a triangle. So I hope you understood what is the median and what is the centroid. Median is basically a line segment that connects the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. उस vertex के जो opposite side होगी उसका जो median होगा उसको connect करने वाली जो line segment होगी, that line segment is your median. And every triangle has a 3 medians. At the point where the 3 medians intersect or we can say meet, that point is known as the centroid. So I hope you understood. Now we'll move to the next property of the triangle, that is altitude.